This is Aldebaran. She's a 66 foot 7 inch traditional narrowboat, large well deck. She was built in 1991 by Charlie Cox and has had some modifications by the owner. She was blacked in March 2025 and there is a survey available to read from 2024. We'll go and take a look on board. Stepping in from the trad aft deck into the back cabin, there's a bioethanol stove there for your cabin heating at the aft. Storage and a bench seat. This would make a fantastic little office area or just a place to sit and chill. Moving forwards into the engine room, there's a Kelvin K1 diesel engine, 21 horsepower. Sounds magnificent when you're underway. There's also, you can see there, a Webasto diesel boiler, which is a blown air diesel boiler, and there are outlets throughout the boat. Your electrics on board are provided by a Victron 3 kilowatt inverter charger. You've also got the solar on the roof. There are 4 6-volt cells, 265 amp hours each. Into the bedroom, permanent double, 6'2" by 4 foot. There is storage under the bed and over, and this wardrobe. Moving forwards, there's a set of side doors and into the shower room. Shower cubicle with tiled linings. There's also a wash basin and a composting toilet. The toilet tank is still in place and the fittings if you wanted to install a pump out toilet. Hot water is heated by the instantaneous gas water heater. There is also a calorifier on board, but it's not connected. So into the galley, there's a large dog box over the galley and the saloon. Gas cooking, there's a gas oven and grill and a 4-burner hob. Plenty of cupboard space and worktop space and an under-counter fridge. Into the saloon, comfy sofa. There is also a drop-down table and a solid fuel stove. And then into the large well deck. Great place to sit and eat in the summer. We'll take another walk back through Aldebaran. Stable doors at the front here. Fit out throughout is pine, and as you've seen, some of it has been painted. Nice use of colour and wallpaper throughout. Here's the drop-down table in the saloon. Flooring throughout is oak boarding with Hexagrip in the engine room. There is a central heating system, so there's radiators and a calorifier, but it's currently not connected to a diesel boiler. She's moored with us at North Kilworth Marina. Give us a call if you'd like to book a viewing, 01788 822 115. And the full specification and the brochure can be downloaded from our website www.abnb.co.uk.